Hello everyone, so let's explore how to install updated CBS app on iPhone. So here is the app. It has a lot of new features. So just tap Get and use your Touch ID. It has 149 megabyte size. Yeah, it has all the original all your favorite CBS originals. Stream the latest episodes. And yeah, you don't need additional subscription. I think you just need to be located in the United States. And if you want live TV, sports, and news, you just need to sign in with your TV provider. Any device, anytime, anywhere. That's that. Yep, so as you can see, the content is not available outside of United States, but anyway, that's just how you install the app.